Hey, D. Scott Smith here with Alan Hennessy. We co-host the virtual Global Tea Break. This has been an international networking sensation, I'll say, since February of 2020. A month after we started the Tea Break, the world changed and we really needed each other more than ever. This past year and a half with all of you has been just amazing and remarkable. The friendships, the business partnerships that have come out of it are just overwhelming to me since the very first tea break. And so we've got a special announcement because the teaching time has been amazing as we've brought in different members of the community, but we need to be able to apply this teaching. And so, Alan, what is coming up?
So, Scott, as I can only reiterate your words as well, it's been phenomenal. So, on the 22nd of October, we are doing a special global tea break, and it is a brainstorming session, guys. So, what we were thinking is that we want to put out this into the into the universe and also to the community, that we want to set up a hackathon. But in order for us to do that, we need to brainstorm it. So we are inviting you on the 22nd of October at the usual time, 7 a.m. Pacific, also at 3 p.m. GMT and 10 a.m. Eastern, to join us for a shorter than usual global tea break. It's only going to be an hour, but it's going to be packed full of brainstorming. And we want your ideas and your input as well as this. As we always say, it's our community. It's all of our community.
All right. So I'm excited to see many of you there. And let's brainstorm. This hackathon, we're talking about a conference, a working conference, could be 5 to 8 hours maybe, where we have different keynotes coming in. But the main thing is that we're improving our websites. We're improving our social media profiles. We're doing our planning, our calendars for content creation. There's a lot of things that we've learned from each other, from the members of the community. It's time to apply them. But we got to figure out how we're going to do this. And the best way to do it is not for Alan and I to come up with it, but it's for you, the members of the community. And as always, I let Alan have the final word.
So guys, as I said, please do join us. We would love your company. We would love your input. And at the end of the day, as I've always said it, together we are stronger. So that's the 22nd of October, 7 a.m. Pacific, 10 a.m. Eastern and 3 p.m. GMT. That's the Global Tea Break Special Edition. So guys, make sure that you join us. Until then, we shall talk to you soon and have a great day.